Hi, my name is Ayesha Soares, and I'm a process engineer at Dow Corning's Midland plant. As a process engineer, I don't really have a typical day. I usually get into work around 7:30 or 8, drink a lot of coffee since I'm not really a morning person. And some days I'm in the lab working on running experiments. Other days I'm in the plant trying to figure out, scale up a process or try to figure out what's wrong with the process. And there's some days where I'm just at my desk researching, developing new processes, or preparing for a meeting, writing a report. Dow Corning makes materials for a wide variety of applications. I work on materials that service the electronics industries, and one of these materials is used as a thermally conductive adhesive used as the interface between a circuit board and a mounting plate in order to remove the heat generated from the circuit board and make sure it doesn't overheat. In process engineering, a lot of what we do is run small-scale lab experiments in order to develop or improve material for a customer. So I'm here in the lab with my coworker, Mike Bradford, who's helping me to run some experiments. So Mike, how are the reactions running?
Both reactions are actually going very well.
Good. Now I'm entering the results from my experiments into the computer so I can analyze and present them to the team later. I've actually worked on many different commercialization teams, and the purpose being is that we develop novel technologies and solutions for customers to go into those electronic applications. A lot of the times you work on a global as well as cross-functional team. So I'm a process engineer, but on my team there's a sales, a marketing, a application engineer, and a development person as well. So we work together as a team in order to develop and supply the customer with good material for their electronics application. Another one of my jobs as a process engineer is to scale material up to a production setting. And behind me we have a shift change going on with the productions team. So this is my opportunity to talk to the operators and make sure that the scale-up is going well and answer any questions that they have. When I was in high school, I knew that I had a passion for chemistry. I actually got my first chemistry set back in high school, and putting together the molecules and trying to visualize how a structure is in 3D form, it really made me think that I loved chemistry. I would definitely say that Dow Corning is an incubator for innovation. A lot of what I do is making sure that we have the most cost-effective and efficient way to process something, which involves looking at our existing technologies and making sure that we're ahead of the game. Another thing I'm heavily involved in is the onboarding of our new hires. And here we have Adam Nichols, who's a new hire in the process engineering group, and he's been with the company for about 3 months now. So this is one of our weekly check-in meetings. So Adam, how are things going?
Things are going really good. I didn't break anything in the lab this week, so that's pretty nice.
It's also really good to talk to new employees. I mean, it wasn't too long ago that I was a new employee myself, so I really understand where they're coming from. And I know that coming into a new workplace, coming into a new town, it can be difficult. So really having a network and having someone to direct you to that network, it's really important. You may not know this, but Midland was voted the best tennis town in the USA. And I'm here at the Midland Community Tennis Center, where I often spend a lot of free time playing cardio tennis, which is a fun and interactive way to work on my tennis skills and get a great workout. I'm pretty involved in the community. I work on a program called Junior Achievement. It bridges the gap between career and education, so it tries to instill those values of education into younger children. I'm in a program called Big Brothers Big Sisters, and my little sister is named Sophia. She's 8 years old, and we've been paired together for the past year and a half. And what are some of the things we like to do?
We like to go swimming, we like to go rollerblading, and eat pizza.
There you go, ladies.
Thank you.
One of the reasons why I picked Dow Corning as the company to work for was that the opportunities are endless. A lot of people that I met with, had started off as a process engineer like myself, had gone to development, then gone to manufacturing, and then, ended up in sales. So really you can find endless opportunities within the same company, and that's why I think Dow Corning is a great place to work for. Well, thanks for spending the day with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Gotta go.
Bye.